fill in the blanks with should or should not. And we have to draw lines to connect the sentences to the pictures. Look at these pictures and the sentences. We dash kill wild animals. What? We should not kill wild animals, right? Should not. And the second part of the sentence is we should protect them, right? Should in it. Subha, turn on your camera now, beta. Azan. Are you filling it? Filling the blanks? Muhammad Musa, Salah, turn on your cameras, beta. Second blank is we should not cut down trees. We should not cut down the trees. You have to write in this contracted form. N के बाद apostrophe and then T. Should not. We should plant lots of young trees. Third blank. Yes.
टीचर ये जो आप करवा रही हैं उसके बाद जब ये सेंटेंस खत्म हो रहे हैं उसके बाद लिखा हुआ है ए।
उसके बाद क्या लिखा हुआ है?
ए लिखा हुआ है तो उसको उसके आगे कुछ लिखना है।
समझ नहीं आई मुझे आपकी।
टीचर जो लिखा हुआ है ना वी शुड नॉट किल वाइल्ड एनिमल्स उसके बाद ए है उसके बाद कुछ लिखना है।
नहीं नहीं, वहां पे कुछ नहीं लिखना।
ओके
ठीक है। Look at the screen ना, जैसे मैंने I have filled the blanks, fill it like that. Okay. Third blank, we should collect rubbish. And in its second part, you will write we should not throw it into the street. Fourth blank, we should conserve water and we should not waste it. Those who are joining late, it's page number 9, lesson number 2. Page number 9, lesson number 2. Okay, now look at sentence number 5. We should repair buildings. We should repair buildings, old buildings, and we should not destroy old buildings. Have you done all 5 of the blanks? Arshman, Muhammad Musa, have you done it? Or are you doing? Okay, okay. Ayan Rashid, where is your camera? Azan, turn on your camera. I want to see you. Azan, have you done it? Okay. Salah, turn on your camera. Shajiha. Shajiha, have you done? Okay, hurry up, beta. First plank is should not, should protect them. In second, we should not cut down trees. And the part B of it, we should plant more lots of young trees. Sentence number 3, we should collect rubbish and we should not throw it in the streets. Sentence 4, we should conserve water. We should not waste it. Sentence 5, we should repair old buildings. Azan, what are you doing? Sit properly. And we should not destroy old buildings. Everyone have done? Ayan and Salah. Yes, Smaha.
Teacher, done.
Done? Okay, just wait.
Yes.
2 minutes, just wait for the other students. Yeah, नीचे वाला question है. Ayan, have you done it? Unmute yourself. कर लिया आपने? Ayan, I'm asking you. Okay. Should I come to the next question? Shajia, have you done? Okay. Look at this question now and listen to me very carefully how you have to do it. This is a letter. This is a sample letter. Look at this part, question number 2. पहले इसको देख लें अच्छे से, then I'll tell you what you have to do. ठीक है, अगर कुछ भी समझ नहीं आती, so you can ask me. This is a sample letter. Read Farooq's letter to a newspaper. अब ये एक लेटर लिखा गया है न्यूज़पेपर के एडिटर को. What did he say? आपने ऐसे ही साइड पे डेट मेंशन कर देनी है. When you will write your own letter, okay? After that, you will write, dear sir, I am writing to you about the wildlife in the mountains. The problem is many hunters are killing the deer. As a result, there are not many deer left in the mountains. In my view, we should make the mountains a national park. If we do this, the deer will be safe and the number of deer will go up in the future. Yours sincerely, then you will write your name. How you will write your letter? The topic of your letter is, come to question number 3. Come to question number 3. Write 2 similar letters to newspaper. You have to write 2 letters. इस तरह के 2 letters आपने लिखने हैं. और जो यहाँ पे जो phrases दिए हुए हैं ना, यहाँ पे देखिए, many people cut down lots of trees, sell firewood, not many trees left in forest. आपने यही phrases use करने हैं. अपनी तरफ से words use नहीं करने. जो यहाँ पे phrases दिए हुए हैं वही use करने हैं. For example, how you will write, dear sir. अब यहाँ पे देखें, on letter number 2, I am writing to you about. So you will write, I am writing to you about forest near our town. ठीक है, आप अपनी हेडिंग ले लोगे ए वाली, forest near our town. The problem is इसमें लिखोगे the problem is many people cut down lots of trees and sell the firewood. ठीक है, यहाँ से आपने लेना है जो बोल्ड लेटर्स में लिखा हुआ है, you will use these letters in words in your letters, but pattern will be like question number 2. जैसे क्वेश्चन 2 में पैटर्न है, पैटर्न वैसे रहेगा, बस वर्ड्स जो है वो आप यहाँ से लोगे. आइए समझ कुछ. Why you are so confused? Unmute yourself, Tuba.
Yes, teacher. टीचर
You
हमने
understand?
आपने कहा यस टीचर जो आपने कहा है लिखा हुआ है राइट टू सिमिलर लेटर्स टू अ न्यूज़पेपर यूज द phrases in at least from
Italics from exercise 2. हाँ.
notes in A and B. टीचर इसका ए जहाँ पे लिखा है many people cut down lots of trees sell the firewood. ये क्या करना है इसमें?
इसमें बेटे आपने पता है क्या करना है. अब यहाँ पे जो इसको लेटर नंबर 2 में इट इज फॉर एवरीवन, मैं उर्दू में एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको इजीली समझ आ जाए. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखिए पहले लेटर 2 में आप लिखोगे आई एम राइटिंग टू यू अबाउट. ठीक है, ये आप यहाँ से देख के लिखोगे आई एम राइटिंग टू यू अबाउट. फिर आप यहाँ से लोगे that many people cut down lots of trees and sell the firewood. यही वर्ड्स आप यूज करोगे इसमें. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद आप लिखोगे द प्रॉब्लम इज आप लेटर 2 से लोगे द प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट मैनी ट्रीज आर लेफ्ट इन फॉरेस्ट. ठीक है, फिर
Okay.
in my view we should stop cutting the trees and plant more young trees. वो आपने फिर यहाँ से is am are का यूज करते हुए ये sentences complete करने हैं. ठीक है, सबको आइए समझ.
Yes.
Yes, unmute yourself Priya बेटा.
टीचर आपने जब अभी बताया कि आई एम राइटिंग टू यू अबाउट के आगे हमने उनको ठीक करके लिखना, उसके आगे हमने ये भी लिखना था लाइक वाइल्ड लाइफ इन द
नहीं नहीं,
माउंटेन.
ये नहीं लिखना. वाइल्ड लाइफ वाला पार्ट आप नहीं लिखोगे. आप सिर्फ जहाँ तक ये बोल्ड लेटर्स में लिखा हुआ है ना ब्लैक में,
Yes.
यहाँ तक लिख के फिर आगे आपने यहाँ से लेना है ए वाले पार्ट से मेनी पीपल कट डाउन ट्रीज. ठीक है,
लास्ट वाला जो है इन माय व्यू वी शुड
इन माय व्यू वी शुड, उसके आगे आप ये वाले लिखोगे वी शुड स्टॉप कटिंग ट्रीज, सेकंड लास्ट लाइन जो है, एंड प्लांट मोर यंग ट्रीज. ठीक है,
टीचर आए 25 मई और हमें डियर सर लिखना है.
क्या लिखना है?
डियर सर और ये 25
yes you have to write down the date and you will write dear sir as well.
और लास्ट की 2 लाइनें ये भी लिखनी है.
Yes, yours sincerely and then you will write your name.
Okay.
Okay, yes Tuba.
टीचर ये हमारा होमवर्क है.
Yes, this is your homework. These two letters. एक तो ये
टीचर कॉपी
forest
में करना है ना.
and both of the letters you will write in your copies. Letter A is forest near our town और letter B is rubbish on city's beach. ये भी same ऐसे ही करना है.
ओके टीचर 2 लेटर्स लिखने हैं.
Yes, 2 letters.
ओके
Yes, Mohammed, unmute yourself.
टीचर लेटर जो इधर लेटर लिखी हुई यही कॉपी पे लिखने हैं होमवर्क में.
आप पहले अपना कैमरा ऑन करो, मैं बताती हूँ आपको. कैमरा ऑन करो. हरिया, show me your face. ओके, यहाँ से आपने लेटर 2 में से सिर्फ आपने ये बोल्ड लेटर्स में जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं ना वो लेनी है। जो लेटर क्वेश्चन 3 में जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं यहाँ से आपने इसको लेके कंप्लीट करना है सेंटेंस। फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम राइटिंग टू यू अबाउट, वर्ड्स आपने यहाँ से लेने हैं। अबाउट मेनी पीपल कट डाउन लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रीज एंड सेल देम एंड सेल द फायरवुड। इस तरह से वर्ड्स कंप्लीट करने हैं। हाफ वर्ड्स यहाँ से लेंगे जो बोल्ड लेटर्स लिखे हुए हैं ना लेटर 2 में, आई एम राइटिंग टू यू अबाउट, द प्रॉब्लम इज, इन माई व्यू, वी शुड, ये आपने यहाँ से लेने हैं। जो आगे वर्ड्स लिखे हैं वो आपने लेटर ए और लेटर बी से लेने हैं।
ओके।
आइए समझ।
यस।
अगर समझ नहीं आती देन डू योर होमवर्क विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स और योर ट्यूशन टीचर और योर एल्डर ब्रदर्स और सिस्टर्स, ठीक है? इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द होमवर्क प्रॉपरली, नाउ टेक आउट पेज नंबर 10 एवरीवन। Page number 10, lesson number 3, we are going to start. This is Earth Watch. Here are some stories from a magazine about Earth Watch. Here are 2 articles. इस magazine के 2 articles हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे about what is happening on our Earth, कि हमारी Earth पे क्या हो रहा है। वो articles, magazines, the articles were given in the magazine, were published in the magazines. And the first article we are going to read is They Are Just Like Us. Yes, Arshman, unmute करें। आपका माइक ही नहीं आ रहा Arshman. What do you want to ask, बेटा? Arshman, where is your mic? आपने हैंड रेस किया इस, what are you doing, Arshman? Okay, they are just like us. About what they are talking about apes. They are just like us. Have you seen apes? आप लोगों में से किसी ने apes देखे हुए हैं? Have you seen apes? Do you know what are apes? Can you see the pictures here on my screen? Can you see the baby here she's holding? For class, I am asking you, beta. Can you see the screen I am sharing on your screens? And look at the picture whose baby she is holding. This is a baby of ape. Apes are just like humans. Who will do the reading? Okay, we will start from Tuba. Half paragraph will do Tuba, then Arshman and Shadiya. Okay. Unmute yourself, Tuba.
Hornets on the same roads. 5 to kill the apes and 6 from the meat
No,
in
what?
the
एक
mountain.
मिनट तुबा, just wait. आप कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हो? यहाँ से पढ़े. My husband and I both love apes. Do you have different reading?
Yes, teacher.
क्या है? पढ़े जरा, read it loud. I can't hear you properly. Read it loud.
Forests are stimulants. Five, to kill the apes, and six, sell them meat in the market. Ticket, a baby ape has lost his mother, so I am bottle feeding him. We are keeping about 7 baby bonobos at the ape center in the middle of the forest. All their mothers are dead. When Ticket is bigger, he can go and live with the group of apes in the forest here alone.
हाँ, तो Tuba, can you see the screen I am sharing with you?
टीचर मेरी पिक्चर फुल बन गया लेकिन रीडिंग अलग है.
आपके पास ये दो पैराग्राफ नहीं है जो ऊपर आ रहे हैं?
नो टीचर मेरे पास ये वाली
Can
है.
you show me your book? Can you show me your book?
हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ. एक मिनट रुको, आप वेट करो. इसे कैमरा हाथ हटाओ अपना, कैमरा शो.
Close it up. Okay. Read the other paragraph. जो साइड पे पैराग्राफ आ रहा है उसको रीड करें.
रीड द
Hard work themselves. They are digging long trenches. In other places, they are putting in sports to hold up the pipe. In a few places, we have to cut through the
Okay,
rock.
stop. Okay, wait. Tuba, एक minute. Shidia, you do the reading. Do you have the same as I have?
Yes.
Start reading from here. My husband and I.
My husband and I both love apes. My husband works for a national park in Africa and his job is to protect all the animals in the park. I am studying apes called bonobos. They are very human like cute and funny. Apes have faced big problem all over Africa. Humans have destroyed much of the forests where they live.
Okay, stop.
They have
Okay, stop. Yes, Arshman, आगे आप पढ़ें. Do the reading. Unmute yourself first, Arshman. Unmute करेंगे तो बेटा I will hear you. Unmute yourself. हाँ जी, आप पढ़ें.
they have been brought into
आपने फिर म्यूट कर दिया है. अनम्यूट करें ना बेटा, आपका फिर म्यूट हो गया. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
apes have to face big problem all over Africa. Human and destroyed much of the forest where they live. One day have built roads into the forest. Two, they cut down the trees, and three takes away the timber on big trucks. Four, apes hunters travel into the forest on the same road. Five, to kill the ape, and six, sell the meat. A baby ape has lost his mother, so I am bottle feeding him. We are keeping about 7 baby nobos at the ape center in the middle of the forest. All their mother are dead. When it is bigger, he can go and live with the group of apes in the forest here alone.
Elaine, okay. Now this is a story about saving the apes. Elaine and her husband live in a forest near the and they work in a national park in Africa. And what their job is to protect the animals in the park. So what they are doing a study on apes called bonobos, and they are very human-like and very funny. So what problems apes are facing during the cutting down of forest in the Africa? These are the five problems they are facing, that they have built roads in the forest, trees are being cut down, and the timber is taken to the woods, to the trucks. Apes hunters hunt apes, and they kill the apes, and they sell their meats to the market. So there is a baby called Titch. This is a baby ape, and his mother is lost and dead. They have 7 children which they are raising in their center in the middle of the forest because all of their mothers are dead. So when Kitch uh, will grow up, he will go and live with a group of other apes in the forest. So Aline and her husband are basically helping the apes to live in the forest peacefully. So Tuba, just don't worry. The last paragraph is same, but some of the words I think is different in your book. So it doesn't matter. इतना कोई मसला नहीं है उसका. That's fine. Have you understand your homeworks, everyone? Yes. Tuba.
टीचर जी अभी आपने पढ़ाया है तो थोड़ा सा है
आपके आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है. तुबा.
मिस था
Say it
टीचर
loudly.
जी अभी आपने पढ़ाया था ना उसमें से थोड़ी सी मिस था
मुझे ना आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही है. Your
टीचर
homework.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
I'm asked. मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. Type करके send करो what you are saying. Just type it and send it what you are saying. If you have any confusion, you can ask me questions. Or have you understood your homeworks, everyone? You have to write your homework on your copies, okay?